What makes our carpet cleaning different? Our superior techniques, as you will soon discover. We know things the other carpet cleaners don't. Our service combines elite-level cleaning techniques with better technology and some of the most experienced service technicians around. Our service personnel are chosen to bring you an experience that is exceptional in every way. And our carpet cleaning ensures the most brilliant results possible. And more importantly, you will love our prices. Our promise of no hidden costs. Some carpet cleaners charge for specific stain removal and pre-treating for heavily soiled traffic areas. You will not experience that with our carpet cleaning service. Our standard service is designed to clean the most stubborn walkway and traffic areas. And our exclusive pre-spray is excellent at removing stains that other carpet cleaners charge extra for. When you use our service, you will experience the unique difference that a true professional master technician brings to your home. Let us show you a new level of clean. Our exclusive demo guarantee. We are so confident that you will love our service, that we offer our exclusive demo guarantee. When our service technician arrives at your home, you have the option of getting a free 10-minute test cleaning on your worst area. If you love our test cleaning, we will perform your service at that time. If we don't wow you, we leave and there is no charge for us stopping by. Call or text us right now for the best carpet cleaning service you will ever encounter.